Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify LiftMaster gateway connectivity for smart access. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin verifying your LiftMaster gateway connectivity, ensure you have your LiftMaster phone app installed on your smartphone. Open the app and log in with your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the main dashboard. Locate the gateway device you wish to verify. Tap on the device to access its settings. In the Device Settings section, look for the connectivity status. The app will display whether the gateway is connected or offline. If the device shows as offline, check the Wi-Fi connection. Make sure your Wi-Fi network is functioning properly. Next, confirm that the gateway is within range of your Wi-Fi router. If needed, reposition the gateway closer to the router. For further verification, restart your gateway device. Locate the power source and unplug the gateway. Wait for about 10 seconds before plugging it back in. Once rebooted, return to the app to check the connectivity status again. If it still shows offline, try resetting the gateway. Refer to the user manual for specific reset instructions. After resetting, follow the app instructions to reconnect the gateway to your Wi-Fi. Once reconnected, check the status again on your app. If the connectivity is successful, you're ready to use your smart access features. If you continue experiencing issues, consider contacting LiftMaster support. They can provide additional troubleshooting steps tailored to your situation. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.